If you are looking for a way to sharpen your image in Photoshop, you came to the right video because I'm gonna show you the easiest and the best way to get this done. Keep in mind that I do not recommend using Photoshop at all for sharpening images. There are way better tools out there like Topaz Photo, which does an outstanding job in sharpening images, denoising photos, and a lot more. Another option is Aiarty Image Enhancer, which does a great job at sharpening images, removing noise, and also doing lots of other stuff to make your photo better. I will leave a link to both in the description of the video, but in this video we're gonna do it in Photoshop, so let's get started. So this is the photo that I want to sharpen. I already opened this up in Photoshop. If you zoom in on this photo, I especially want to sharpen its face. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate our layer so we are not destroying the original layer. Then we're gonna go to Filter, Other, and select High Pass. And in High Pass we can see the highlights of our photo. When we use the radius slider from left to right, we can define how much of this do we want to see. And what we want to achieve here is we want to see a little bit of these highlights, but not too much. So you need to find the right range for selecting the right radius. So I'm gonna go with something like this. Now the next thing what we need to do is we need to select a different blend mode because this doesn't look right yet. So I'm gonna go to normal here, and I can select from different blend modes, and you want to select one from these, from overlay, soft light, hard light, or vivid light, and you can instantly see on the photo what it does to your image. If you want to keep it the most natural one, just select overlay. If you want to have a really sharpened image, go for linear light. But this one is obviously too much for me, so I'm gonna select overlay. Now another trick we can do to this to make it better is we can make a mask of this layer, and if we click on the mask of the layer and press Ctrl or Command I, we can remove it, and then with a white brush we can bring it back, and this way we can select some areas that we want to make sharper instead of making the whole image sharper, and this way you have a bit more control like that. So before, after we made the face sharper, I can zoom in here and you can see this better now. There's one more trick that I can give you, and that is to add a curves adjustment layer. If we add the curves here, we can select the highlights at the top and we move them a bit to the left, and we can select the dark tones and move them a bit to the right. Although this isn't really sharpening, this is just making the highlights lighter and the darker tones a bit darker, but it gives an effect like it's more sharpened. So now we sharpen the image in Photoshop. But my recommendation would be use Topaz Photo. I'm also using that one, or Aiarty Image Enhancer. Check the link in the pinned comment, there you can find the link to both of these tools. If you want to know how to upscale your photo up to 32K, check out this video where I have a dedicated video to this. And until then, catch you on the next one.